Let me tell you about Domino, a cat who truly believed the world was his playground. He was a tuxedo cat with a PhD in mischief, always plotting his next adventure, especially when it involved the kitchen. One night, while his humans slept soundly, dreaming of peaceful things, Domino was wide awake, his eyes gleaming with a mischievous plan. Domino, with the agility of a seasoned climber, scaled the kitchen cabinets one shelf at a time. He was drawn by the irresistible scent of leftover roast chicken, a tempting aroma that filled the entire kitchen. He pulled down the bag, and with it, a cascade of other items followed, creating a domino effect of kitchen chaos. First, a bottle of olive oil, its contents destined to create a slippery hazard. Then a salt shaker ready to add insult to injury with its granular mess. And finally, a heavy spoon rest crashed to the floor with a resounding thud, sealing the fate of the kitchen's tranquility. His humans woke to chaos, a scene of utter disarray that no one could have predicted. Oil everywhere, creating a slick and dangerous surface. And there was Domino, innocently licking a chicken bone, completely oblivious to the pandemonium he had unleashed. A major choking hazard, a potential trip to the emergency vet, all thanks to a moment of unattended curiosity. This isn't just a funny story to chuckle about over coffee, it's a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the responsibilities we have as pet owners. Our homes are full of hidden dangers for curious cats, lurking in plain sight, waiting for an opportunity to cause harm. Every cord, dangling temptingly, is an invitation to chew. Every open cabinet, a portal to unknown treasures and potential poisons. And every unattended bag is a potential risk of suffocation or ingestion. Understanding your cat's perspective, seeing the world through their inquisitive eyes, is the first and most crucial step to keeping them safe and sound within the confines of your home. As their guardians, the ones they rely on for everything, it's our job to anticipate trouble before it strikes. We must proactively create a secure environment where they can explore and play without the threat of harm. This guide will help you transform your home step by step into a haven of safety. We'll turn it into a safe, enriching paradise, a place where your feline friend can thrive and live a long, happy, and healthy life. To truly cat-proof your home, it's not just about what see as dangerous. You need to think like a cat, adopt their perspective, and understand their motivations. What's at their level? What temptations lie within easy reach from a feline point of view? What smells tempting? Remember, a cat's sense of smell is far more powerful than ours. What dangles? Dangling objects are irresistible to many cats, triggering their natural hunting instincts. Your cat's age, breed, and personality shape the risks. A playful kitten will explore differently than a senior cat. Observe their habits closely. Pay attention to what they're drawn to, what they try to get into. Many houseplants like lilies are beautiful but deadly. And philodendrons are toxic to cats, causing everything from mild irritation to severe organ damage. Even a little nibble can be fatal. The safest plants are non-toxic varieties like catgrass, which can actually be beneficial for their digestion, or kept in off-limits rooms, where your cat can't access them at all. Cleaning supplies with their strong chemicals and human medications are major hazards. Even seemingly harmless over-the-counter drugs can be dangerous. Store them in latched cabinets, preferably child-proofed, to prevent accidental access. Dropped pills, string, those tempting little playthings, rubber bands and hair ties, are easily swallowed and can cause intestinal blockages. Are all dangerous if swallowed, potentially requiring surgery. Foods like grapes, which seem harmless to us, onions and chocolate are toxic. Even in small amounts, they can cause serious health problems. And essential oils, while pleasant for humans, can be harmful too, especially if ingested or absorbed through the skin. Treat these items as you would for a toddler. If it's not safe for a baby, it's probably not safe for your cat. Out of sight, out of reach. Prevention is always better than cure. Your mission: eliminate these risks before curiosity gets the better of your cat, ensuring a safe and happy home for your feline friend. Let's embark on a comprehensive tour of your home, transforming it into a haven of safety for your feline friend. We'll meticulously examine each room, identifying potential hazards, and implementing preventative measures to ensure your cat's well-being. Our mission: to pinpoint and eliminate cat hazards. We're talking about everything from toxic substances to seemingly harmless objects that could pose a threat to your cat's health and safety. Starting in the kitchen, the heart of many homes, it's crucial to never leave food accessible. Cats are curious creatures, and unattended food can lead to digestive upset or even poisoning. Similarly, ensure that no trash is accessible. Always secure bins with tight-fitting lids. This prevents your cat from ingesting harmful items or sharp objects. It's also wise to use child-proof latches on cabinets, especially those containing cleaning supplies or potentially toxic substances. Remember, hot stoves and counters are risky territory for curious cats. Consistently train your cat to stay off these surfaces. Furthermore, use protective covers on stoves and other appliances when possible, adding an extra layer of safety. Moving into the living room, a space often filled with entertainment and relaxation, it's essential to bundle and hide electrical cords. Dangling cords are tempting playthings but can lead to electric shock. Similarly, secure blind cords, keeping them well out of reach to prevent entanglement. Reclining chairs, while comfortable for us, can pose a significant risk, potentially trapping cats. So always check underneath and around the chair before using it. Now, let's step into the bathroom, where water and chemicals create unique hazards. Always keep the toilet lid down to prevent accidental drowning or ingestion of cleaning chemicals. Ensure all medications are locked away in a secure cabinet far from your cat's reach. Store toiletries such as lotions and shampoos, and all cleaning products securely, preventing accidental ingestion or skin irritation. It's also crucial to never leave standing water in tubs or sinks, as cats can be curious about water but are at risk of drowning. Finally, let's consider bedrooms and offices, often overlooked areas for potential hazards. Always keep small items like hair ties, which can be ingested and cause intestinal blockages, and pins safely stored in closed drawers. Make it a habit to always check wardrobes, ensuring your cat hasn't accidentally become trapped inside. Similarly, check drawers and appliances such as washing machines and dryers before closing or turning them on to prevent accidental injury. A quick daily sweep of your home can prevent accidents and provide peace of mind. By taking these precautions, you'll create a safer, happier environment for your beloved cat. Make safety a daily habit and enjoy the companionship of your feline friend with confidence. Cat-proofing isn't just about removing dangers, it's about adding safe, fun alternatives. Bored cats get into trouble, so enrich their environment. Think vertical cats love to climb and perch. Add a tall, sturdy cat tree near a window for cat TV. Install wall shelves or perches to create a cat superhighway. Let them move around the room above the action. This gives them confidence and a safe escape from stressors. Interactive play is essential. Use wand toys and puzzle feeders to engage their minds and bodies. Redirect their instincts to approved outlets, not your furniture. Enrichment prevents boredom and destructive behavior. Speak your cat's language with vertical space, scratching posts, and daily play. A happy, stimulated cat is a safe cat. Cat-proofing is an ongoing commitment, not a one-time job. As your cat grows, reassess your home for new risks. Life changes, like parties or renovations, require extra precautions. During events, set up a safe room with food, water, and a litter tray. Keep guests out. For renovations, confine your cat away from fumes and hazards, and check for debris before letting them explore. Stay vigilant. Your cat depends on you for safety. By protecting them, you strengthen your bond. Share your cat-proofing tips and stories in the comments. Together we can make every home a safe haven for cats.